Girls do hair.
Right, girls do hair, but mommy's not here, so daddy has to do your hair. Daddy has to do your hair. See what I'm saying?
Daddy, don't
I'm
wash
not used to
hair.
this. No, turn around. Let me see your hair. Turn around. Let me see. Okay, this is what we're dealing with. Okay. I'm gonna try to get it together, and this one jumping around. So yeah, I'm gonna try to go ahead and get it together. Hey, come here real quick. Come on, sit down. Let me start to look at your hair. Figure out what's going on. Take a seat. What's up, everybody? Glass, Better Daddy Vlog Life. Today is a different day because it's a Saturday, Memorial Weekend, but today is the day and the first time that I'm gonna do my daughter's hair. Yeah, I'm always good. What are these? Ribbon ponytail holders. I'm good with taking the ponytail holders out with them before they go to bed, or I might grab their hair, might pin their hair up when I use the ponytail holders when they take baths. But yeah, now I actually have to do their hair because all the women on both sides of the family, they're actually busy and they're actually preoccupied. So rather than just do a whole full ponytail and just really just go out of line with it, I'm actually gonna try to redo what's already done. So we're gonna go to the clip of what's done. So I'm basically gonna try to do that, and yeah, I'm gonna figure that out. I already got the stuff that's normally going on with their hair. I really don't know what none of this stuff is, but yeah, so I'm just gonna experiment with this and we're gonna see what it do, and I'm gonna give it a try. You wanna tell them your name? What's your name?
My name is...
Look at the camera. What's your name?
My name is Riley. When I grow up, I'll be a superhero.
When you grow up, you're gonna be a superhero. High five. Okay. Your name is Raven. What does Daddy call you? What does Daddy call you? Daddy don't call you Raven. What I call you?
Sweet.
Correct. High five. Okay. Okay. Come right here.
Okay.
Come right here so they can see you. Come right here, Ray. Come here. Okay. So look at the camera. Okay. So, what's your name?
Squeeze. My name is Squeeze. When I grow up, I will be
Doctor? Which one be?
a zookeeper.
Zookeeper? Okay.
Yeah.
Come on. Bag day. Ha. Okay, so yeah. About to start doing this hair, man. We finna see how it go. Yeah, y'all see the before. We're gonna try the after. And I got some ponytail holders here that I'm basically gonna try to match to their clothes.
When I grow up, I will be a superhero. My name is Danica Squeeze.
Very good.
When I grow up, I will be a zookeeper when I grow up.
Okay. So I got ponytail holders. So that's gonna match their clothes. They got some other ponytail holders in here, probably for nighttime and stuff like that. So I'm just not gonna be just super NIGGA, and yeah. So I'm just not gonna use the colors that don't match. So I'm actually gonna use colors that do match. So I'm about to get to it. I'm talking about okay. Here, get your baby. We finna figure this out together. I ain't no time to look at YouTube tutorials and nothing like that. I really just didn't have too much time. Hey, can't leave that alone. Thank you. Okay, passion fruit curl control paste, and it's like a gel. So maybe it's like an edge control, I'm guessing. What we got here, we got Mielle styling gel, curl smoothie, and this is more styling gel. So I'm pretty sure the styling gel is used on their hair to soften their hair. One sec. Let me see. Okay. Because what I'm not finna do is I'm not finna undo this braid that's already done, because that's gonna be an L because I don't know how to braid. Damn, my hands all wet. Squeeze. Come here real quick. Do me a favor, baby.
Yes.
Go to the dirty clothes and get daddy a towel. Thank you so much. It's good to have another baby that's helpful. Ooh, man. Ooh, she kind of getting slabbed up a little bit. Yeah, I'm just gonna grab this little gel. I'm gonna kind of mix and blend this in. See, this braid right here is nice and done. And if I take this braid apart, it's yeah, it's gonna be all bad. It's really gonna be just a big bushy ponytail. So rather than hold my baby like that, all it's just wild hair. I'm just gonna put a little bit of styling gel on it. Thank you so much, sweetheart. Okay. Okay. Hey. Go play. Thank you. Go play. Thank you so much. Yep. Kind of slab her up real quick. Ladies, shout out to y'all mothers and aunties and big sisters and everybody else, women in general that do hair. Cause yeah, this ain't. I don't know how we gonna do this. Luckily, her hair is already parted, so I'm basically just trying to lay down this baby hair and this outside here. Dang, man, it's kind of getting a little bushy. Oh well. Come on. Yep, you wearing pink? Yep. Come on, ponytail, hold the twisted tie right here around all this extra hair. Bow. Boop. Come on. Get to it. Boop. One more time. Like cacao. And I'm really kind of pump faking out here just because most of her hair is already done. So for those of y'all that thought maybe I was just trying to break it all down from the beginning, nah, we're gonna work ourselves up to that. Yeah, it'll be more videos of me after I learn a little bit more of the game, or me breaking down hair and how to do hair and stuff like that. And hopefully it won't be too many days where I got to do this. This much. Close enough. Come on, Pink.
Oh.
See, she's nice and quiet. Midnighty, semi took a nap, but we're gonna go and get to it. So I'm gonna continue to wet him out some more. This back. Get to this back too. One time. Gel my hands, come on, get to it. Soften that up. Ooh-wee. Your granny would kill me. Baby new. Probably won't kill me though. They probably put your head off her, baby. Thank you. They probably be happy that I'm at least giving it a try. But hey, baby daddy, I'm gonna get to it. This is what my life is about, and I gotta get it right, get it right, get it right. Squeeze, be careful on that piano stand. Be careful on that. Okay, I gotta do you next, and your hair is so thick. Pause if necessary. Leave it alone. Thank you. No, it's okay. Okay, so so you should put your head down. Head down. It's in a better state than what it was. Okay. Prop it. Okay, here we go. Gonna turn. Turn. Lick a little better. Lick a little better. Okay, what you gonna do? Get your baby. You go play with slime. Yes, your turn. Okay, so okay, stop clapping. Let me see. Hair. See, it's thick and wavy, and it's already parted. Yes, I'm really just gonna leave this parted, and we're gonna keep it popping. Yeah, and I really gotta use this styling gel. Come on, Mielle Organics. There we go. Bam. There we go. Hey man. Wait, be careful, thank you. Hey man, look at me. Y'all don't kill me in these comments. Cause I'm really trying my best and I'm doing it out of love. First time. She's almost 5 and Sweet is 3. It's the first time I'm doing their hair. So yeah. So y'all, I hope I see a lot of likes and thumbs ups and comments. Just y'all give me the game. Yeah, they're watching Frozen. So y'all give me the game. Thank you very much of what I could do better in the future. Cause I definitely plan on probably coming out with a lot more styles and stuff. Oh yeah, that's right. Her hair too thick. I gotta use these real thick type.
Daddy, we already made slime. Can we make some Play-Doh?
No, maybe when you come back.
Daddy?
Yes.
What do you say?
I said we'll try some Play-Doh when you come back, maybe.
After sleeping time? Daddy, after sleeping time?
Hey, Sweet, stop that.
After sleeping time?
Yes, after that. Stop that.
Daddy.
Thank you.
Pretend I don't want to
Leave it
leave
alone.
Moana's
Thank
bed.
you. Come sit over here.
Daddy, pretend I don't want to leave Moana's bed.
Okay. Okay. So that's one, man. This hair keep poking out. That's one. Second. Ooh. Guess who's gonna be wearing yellow? Huh. Yeah, she got a little yellow on that shirt. Yeah. Guess who's gonna be wearing yellow on them boys? Yeah, and all that how they use the control and you know how y'all do the baby hair. Yeah, that's not happening today. Yeah, yeah, I'm such a rookie, I'm such a novice now. We're gonna graduate today. That's not happening today. So there's yellow in here. Maybe next time I'll take out a birdie or something. Next time, maybe I'll take a birdie out. Okay, thank you, baby. Thank you. Not today. Damn. You see this? At least I know I need to at least comb this part. Hopefully I can just find just the initial braid after I comb this part. Okay, I got one piece, got another piece. I'll wet it too. Come on, braid, first time braid. Okay, no, it's 3 parts.
No, we're not.
Okay, it looks like I got 3 parts. Boom, boom. Boom, come on, let's get it. Man, come on, braid. Yeah, I'm just gonna twist this. We're gonna keep it a secret. I'm gonna go ahead and twist it over real quick. But man, I'm pretty solid on that braid game. I'm talking about. Yeah. Navy blue. Navy Navy blue, come on. See these ponytail holders, I can kind of master just because I take them out. It's not every night, it's every other night. At least the ones at the top, I always take out the ones at the top and the ones back here to kind of let their hair breathe during the nighttime. And then I always just grab one ponytail holder to pin all their hair up before I bathe them. Just so they don't get all their hair wet, you know what I'm saying? I at least try to do that. You finna have purple today. Keep that. Okay. Yes. Oh, thank you so much. Yes. Put your head out for me real quick, baby. Thank you. Gotta keep that kitchen clean. A little bit more. Styling gel for the culture. Y'all want to see this one right here. Stop it, stop it, stop it. Be careful, stop it. Okay. So, stand up on the stand right here. That's it. Bring your head down. Bam. That's better. Leave it alone. Leave it alone. Thank you. Bam. See that? See that? See that? Okay. Let's go. Go that way. Thank you. Okay. Yeah. Did my best. It's off to go play, and that's what we gonna do. Can you see? Who you see? Who can you see when you looking in there? What you see?
Daddy.
You see me?
Yeah,
Okay.
I see Daddy.
Okay, she's looking at the screen on the other side. But yeah, watch it. Watch your hand.
I see.
You see?
I see Daddy.
Okay. Okay. So yeah, we're about to get to it on the other side, and y'all finna go wet them out. Probably trampoline park it, cause we was gonna go outside. But man, it is so hot out there. That heat in there. I'm not gonna do that to my babies. And they got a few things going on for Memorial Day weekend. They got a little taste of Louisiana festival that we might just ride by and see. You know, just for a little game, we might ride by and see. But yeah, finna get to it. You know what I'm talking about? Hey, so man, y'all drop some comments, man, and hopefully, any dads that's scared to do hair, or anybody that's married that want to send this to their husband to get him a laugh, or just get him some motivation to step their game up as a dad or whatever the whole shit. Hey, go ahead and send it to him. But hey, you're gonna get that Ace Time Billy Daddy Blog life. You know what I'm talking about? Hey.